What's up, YouTube? I might be late to class because of this one, but I got a package in the mail, and excuse the crappy setup. I really just kind of ran up here and wanted to record unboxing this package just so I could get something with it, because I am super excited to check this thing out. So give me a sec to get into this. This is very nicely packaged, and for good reason. Alright, we're in another layer. I am greatly excited for this, although unboxing with one hand is a bit of a strange one. Oh, you guys see that? It is a Squid Industries box, and a rather old one at that. And that is because what is in this box is covered in foam. What is in this box is none other but an original V1 Mako. Look at that. I saw this for sale on the Instagram Balisong sale post, Balisong sale hashtag, for like an incredible price, and I just had to get it. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. This is before they added the bottle opener, so you can see it's just a regular shark there. It rings a little. Oh man. Wow, and he was not lying. This thing is mint. There are no scuffs on it. Everything is in like perfect condition. I got this for a really good price too. I think I'm gonna make it my goal to attempt to collect every single Squid Industries Mako. Cause you know, why not? Wow. Well, I need to go because I need to get to class, but expect a longer video with this thing soon. I cannot wait to play with this more. This is so sick. The only sandwich product that Squid Industries has, and it's discontinued, and I got one. That is so cool. Alright, see you guys.